China's Sichuan Luxury Company Limited was established in 2006. With more than 10 years experience in footwear design, development, production and export, adhering to the enterprise spirit of innovation and pricing, we have established stable business relationships with more than 80 customers from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Italy, Spain, Germany, Russia, Japan, South Korea, and some other countries. You can find new products here every quarter. From the first founding, we are dedicated to the marketing concept of offering professional service, trendy styles, high quality, competitive price to all of our customers, and specialized in supplying various medium and high-grade sports running shoes, boxing shoes, fitness shoes, wrestling shoes, cheerleading shoes, boxing gloves, boxing clothes, wrestling clothes, etc. Luxury provides one-stop service, supports OEM or ODM services. We provide a new design development according to customers' demands until orders are delivered. And we continue to strive for innovation, forge ahead, struggle, improve quality, and improve service quality. In our continuous efforts, we cooperate with many international boxing fitness brands, with well-decorated offices and complete production equipment. Luxury has a professional service team, which includes 20 global sales personnel, 10 domestic sales personnel, 3 professional designers, over 20 development teams, 10 quality QC, 30 management, and more than 200 production personnel to ensure the order details are orderly and compliant. At present, our company efforts to promote our brand and has registered our home brand of the world. The main products are professional boxing shoes, wrestling shoes, fitness shoes, cheerleading shoes, sports running shoes, boxing gloves, wrestling clothes, and other fitness products. We are striving to build our home boxing fitness brand. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss detailed orders, we look forward to establishing successful business relationships with new clients of the world in the near future.